about the jiva in relation to bhakti tattva and prema tattva. Sometimes we have to be careful when we're mixing, although there's similarities between material experiences and spiritual experiences, and because it's Nara Lila, Krishna's Lila is human, it's Nara. So we may blur the transcendental position or significance of Krishna's identity and Leelas, and even relativize Krishna to say, oh, he's like me, or I'm like him, my girlfriend's like Radha, I'm like Krishna, I play flute, I move in the forest. But this is a danger. So when we're asking questions about the love and the jiva, love is one thing, affection is one thing, but prema is something else. Prema is alokik, bhakti is alokik, it's transcendental. It is not in the jiva. The jiva has earth, but no seeds. So earth is very nice, a lot of power, a lot of potential, but it has to receive something from outside called the seed.